Hi, my name is Quang Trin, and I'm the systems engineer here at Dotworkz Systems. And what we have here today is that we'll be talking about our 2.4 wireless Sidekick system that's integrated into our D2 enclosure. The greatest benefit with this 2.4 system is that it's a modular system, which means whether you have our D2 standard enclosure, our heater blower, our tornado, our ring of fire, or our cool dome, this unit will be able to be integrated into those enclosures and allow you to have wireless access to your IP camera. The 2.4 system that we offer is fully powered by the environmental units of the D2 enclosure. So it doesn't matter which enclosure you choose, you can have this integrated into it, and it will be automatically powered by the already electronic components that we have in those particular enclosures. The added benefit of our 2.4 system is that it uses standard 802.11b/G protocols, so you can have it attached to any existing access point that you have currently, and it'll support all the latest security features, including WEP, WPA, and WPA2. And if you have a more sophisticated wireless system deployment, it'll support radius server, and it'll also support MAC authentication. So the 2.4 system, as you can see, is a very modular system. It's mounted onto our equipment plate, and this particular plate is already pre-installed inside any of our D2 units in the equipment bay area. What you also get with your module system is a omnidirectional antenna, and with this omnidirectional antenna, it mounts on the outside of the D2 enclosure where the antenna tab is located. With this 6 decibel omnidirectional antenna, you'll have range up to 1 mile from your access point. Now, it also depends on what type of antenna you're using at your access point, but this particular antenna that we give you will have up to a 1 mile radius support. So it really depends on the other end also, what type of antenna you're using. But right out of the box, we do support up to 1 mile worth of signal strength. The other thing with our Sidekick system is that if you decide to purchase it with our own Dotworkz base station, which is our own access point, we'll have it pre-configured already so that when you power the system up, it'll automatically associate with each other, so there's no programming needed. It's just installing the equipment, getting power to it, and then the system's going to automatically negotiate with each other, connect to it, and then you'll have access to the IP camera wirelessly. Now, if you have your own access point, like I stated earlier, you're going to have to go into our wireless module card itself with a crossover cable and program it with the appropriate SSID that you're using and also the security key that you're using. We do offer a service where if you have that information for us, we can pre-program it with your information ahead of time before we ship the system out with an additional fee, and you can talk to our sales team regarding that pre-configuration fee, but we do offer that for ease of installation. If you already know your existing wireless infrastructure information, we can go ahead and do that for you. So that's our 2.4 system. It's really meant to be a point-to-point or point-to-multi-point system, and we do recommend that no more than 5 units are tied back to one access point. You don't want to have more than 5 because then you'll have some congestion issues. So our recommendation is 5 or less. And if you have any questions, my name is Quang Trin. I'm the systems engineer. You can contact me at quang@dotworkz.com or email info@dotworkz, and somebody will get a hold of you. Thank you.